In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you an awesome laptop cooler. Check this thing out. You know, I know it's all in Chinese, but let me just kind of like show you. It's Innovation Closed Turbo Cooling Fan. This is one of the strongest fans I have ever seen on a laptop cooling system. It's got the closed turbo cooling, 10 times the air intake volume, dual noise reduction, no whistling sound, immersive gaming, intelligent frequency conversion, temperature. Basically, if you need to cool a laptop, this is what I recommend. And it looks like it's from the company Flydigi supercharged laptop cooler. Let me go ahead and take it out of this box and show you what you get. Okay, got it out here. I got a little set of instructions with it. And the instructions basically don't tell you much. It just shows you the actual fan itself. But you know what? Pretty self-explanatory. There was a cutout that was on this. You just take that off. I think they just included that extra because this is all stuck down. So this is very nice mini cell foam. Check that out. That feels awesome. It's like very squishy and grippy. Look at these fans on this. Just looking at this thing, it is a very premium looking machine, and it's got intake, like looks like the intake of a car hood, the size of this thing. That looks awesome. USB-C right there. So here's the USB-C cable that came with it. Let me go ahead, plug this in right here, USB-C, and I have a power bank. I'm going to run it on this power bank right like this. Let's stick the power bank on there like that. As soon as I stick it on there, wow, that worked out. There's a button right here, and that looks like, so let's go ahead and mash the button. Wow, that thing is very quiet. That's a lot of air. So you get it looks like there's 1, 2, 3. Looks like you get these little light ups right there. That's cool. And then there's some legs right here. Some adjustment legs. Okay, that's a good angle. Let me grab my laptop. Oh, that sounds cool. There's the laptop on here like that. You can tilt it down like this and then have the screen. You don't really, it's focusing the air right into the vents on the air on the laptop. It's closing it off. That seals it off like a gasket. Very impressive, everybody. There's a little bit of a low. You can turn it down. So if your laptop starts slowing down, just turn that up. Let me go ahead and take what's it look like with the legs? There you go. You could just run it flat like that. So you don't have to run it like that. And I have a keyboard and mouse down here that works with this thing. This is something I recommend for anyone that's doing some gaming or like I'm doing some editing, and you just need to keep your laptop cooled down. I can already tell. You can feel the air going through the laptop. Very impressive. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, how do you say that? The Flydigi laptop cooler. See y'all in the next video.